This is the top 5 most expensive wood in the world. Fifth place, pink ivory. Price $80 per board foot. Pink ivory is an extremely rare type of wood and is known for its striking hues. It can range from pink brown to a deep purple red that shines with brilliance. This wood is native to Zimbabwe and is strong, making it useful for a variety of things like utensils, jewelry, and some furniture. It is also classified as exotic wood. Fourth place, ironwood. Price $90 per board foot. Ironwood or Lignum vitae is also referred to as the tree of life due to how slowly it grows. This wood comes from the Caribbean region and has a naturally high oil content. Iron trees are exotic and are hardly found in the wild, making this wood very precious. It is resistant to insects and maintains its hardness for a long time. Ironwood can be light olive to darker grass in hue and often gives off a light scent when it's processed. It's used to create bearings, artistic instrument, and instrument handle, among other items. Third place, agar wood. Price $10,000 per kilogram. Agar wood, which ranks third on the list of the most expensive woods in the world, comes from the Southeastern Asian region and is harvested from tropical forests. The aroma that this wood gives off makes it part of the aphrodisiac group, and its oil is sometimes more valuable than gold. This is an extremely rare and therefore pricey wood. It's super light to hold and has a pale tone. Agar is used for a lot of different things. It can be used to make scent for therapeutic purposes or even as raw material for manufacturing fish oil. This is a diverse wood and has a lot of demand, especially in East Asian culture and regions. Second place, sandalwood. Price $20,000 per kilogram. A fragrant and aesthetically pleasing wood, sandalwood hails from Southeast Asia and the South Pacific Islands. It is currently the second most expensive wood in the world. It is commonly used in religious ceremonies and is also a part of traditional medicine in many cultures and areas. Sandalwood is also used to make antique boxes and small pieces of furniture. It can even be consumed through different means, and its oil is used to make scented candles, perfumes, soap, and other items. First place, African blackwood. Price $100 per board foot. African blackwood grows very slowly and is only found in one part of the Sahara Desert in Africa. Understandably, this is characterized as the rarest and most expensive wood in the world. It has dense makeup and can range from purple to deep black. It has fine grains that don't need to be filled in, and it's used to create musical instruments, art pieces, and some furniture. This wood has a rich history. It was historically exported all over the world to make handles for early European medical instruments. An African blackwood tree only grows to 50 feet and doesn't mature until it's almost 200 years old. However, this wood is harvested today when trees are only 70 to 80 years old. These trees are being replanted to ensure a steadier supply of this precious material. These are the top 5 most expensive woods in the world. Thank you for spending the time to watch my video. I highly appreciate your feedback. Please write your feedback in the comments below. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. As always, I'll see you in the comments below. Thank you for watching.